Alright everyone, let's get this video done for this Pearly FAF Firebird. Seriously, this thing's so pearly, guys, I couldn't even catch it in pictures. Someone's gonna love this thing. Thank you all for joining. 1 through 40. Alright, 916 on the start. There's one page, and then there's the rest. Alright, let's go over to random. There's that green lock. It's a secure lock. It's refreshed now. And we've got 40 spots. Good luck, everyone. 34. 34 is your winner. Alright, your winner coming in at 916. 34 is going to be Mike Kendall. Congratulations, Mike. Hit me up. I'll get this thing out tomorrow for you, bud. And 916 just turned 917. Thanks, everyone.